Hi, welcome back to Miss Bell channel. In this video, I will share my easy plate dough recipe. You will need 1 cup of flour, 1/4 cup of salt, 1 tablespoon of veggie oil, some lemon juice, half cup of water, and some food colors. First, put the flour and salt in a bowl together and mix them well. For the liquid combination, mix half cup of water with 1 tablespoon of oil and some lemon juice, then slowly pour it into the bowl. Now you need to mix and knead them very well until you have a nice and non-sticky dough. While mixing or kneading, if the combination is too wet or too dry, you can adjust it by putting more flour or water in. My dough is very nice now, and I think it's ready for the next part. Now I love this part, coloring the dough. Put some drops of food color in the dough and knead it well. If the color is too light, put some more color drops in and knead it. If the dough becomes wet because you add the color liquid in, you can adjust by kneading it with some more flour. Next, I mix red and yellow to make orange color for my dough. You can make a lot of different colors if you mix the basic colors together. With this homemade Play-Doh, you can put them in the zip bags and store them in the fridge and play with them in up to 1 month. It's fun to color the dough, isn't it? Make your own color dough. And thanks for watching.